Veteran broadcaster Dorraine Samuels has died.
Morning!
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Longtime broadcaster Dorraine Samuels has died at age 59. Samuels, a longtime employee of the RGR Gleaner Communications Group, passed away on Tuesday afternoon, March 26th. She had been battling cancer. Dorraine entered the field of broadcasting in January of 1981 by chance, after her talent as a speaker was spotted while visiting Radio Jamaica as a finalist in the Miss Jamaica World Pageant a few months earlier. Soon after, she was hosting her own shows, one of which was Jamaica Today, in a mid-morning time slot. Before long, she had become one of RGR's main news anchors, as the station documented the historic development of the day. In 2004, Samuels broadened her newsreading portfolio to television, becoming the co-anchor on TVJ's Primetime News. For many listeners, the enduring memory of Dorraine Samuels will be that of her partnership and regular bantering with Alan Magnus on RGR for 4 decades. In a release, the RGR Gleaner Communication Group said, "It is with a deep sense of sadness that the immediate family and the RGR Gleaner family of broadcaster Dorraine Samuels announced her passing. Dorraine had surgery in recent weeks, and we have been praying for her recovery. However, she lost her battle with cancer this afternoon. We request the respect of privacy at this time. We continue to hold her family, friends and colleagues in our prayers."
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.